Hello, hello mga langga. So, nandito na naman kami sa Dimiao. So, ilang beses na po ako nakapunta dito. But, this is the second time na nagbisita si Laura. The first time was in 2011. So, parang 9 years old parang si Laura or 10. Basta. So, now it's a beautiful day. So, ako ang tour guide ng mga mistisa ng Belgiana ni. So, kasama ni Laura yung friend niya sa Tagbilaran. So, nindot ang weather, guys. Dati, we can see the surroundings, the rice paddies on the left side. Pero ngayon, ang dami na pong
we are here now sa atong falls. Oh, this is the start of the steps. I don't count, which I count sa di ay.
So, murag magsugod kung ihap ani, murag 300 masiguro or 200 plus ang steps. So, this is not advisable for people with ay mga gipang maintenance or high blood or whatever. This is only for the person na mga fit to travel up and down the stairs. Kasi pag may problema sa katawan nyo, mahirapan po kayo. Pwede naman siguro, pero slowly. Maybe it will take an hour to go up and down. So, dati, it's only this part is with the stairs. Pero now, this one, when we were here, it's only this part. So, now, it's like, murag 200 plus steps lagi. So, before it was like this, only this part is cement, but the rest is very rough. Now, we are here. Oh, look at nature.
Be! Nawa nakadungog. Agoy. Thank you so much, Lord, for another chance of visiting here with my daughter Laura.
Kundi ko mahadlok ko. Nauyay baksan.
Walay the source sa tubig sa tubok diri pa daw.
Mo ba? guys. Oh. Hello, hello. Oh guys, I'm here at Damagan Falls. Laura is there, oh, behind me. This is my third time in Green Falls. Thank you so much. Kamera tao dire guys, oh. Kamerang opat. Uli na mi guys. Salamat sa mong guide si Dong Windel. Orias live. Kaya mag-video pag lola. Bye-bye. Twin Falls. Uli na mi. Kat-kat na pa mis hagdan.